Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. So, you all, I haven't been over here by my plantains in a while. I do know I have one plantain over here, a rack, and I have another one inside here. I didn't know about this one. I did not know about this one, and there she is. I didn't see her at all, but yep, the girl is just doing her thing, and I didn't know I didn't know she was here. And of course, that's because, I haven't been feeling 100, so I haven't been over here at all. But there she is. She looks beautiful. And there's a lot of bees playing around her, so that is really good. So I'm excited about it. Yeah. It lets you know that, you know, these plants does not need you at all. They're going to do their thing no matter what. But I know Ben said, Linda, you're going to be surprised about something, but he didn't say what. So this is what he was talking about. I love it, y'all. It's cool. All right, everyone. I don't know what time it is. Maybe after 4. But this is my huge. I grew big baby in this container. I'm thinking it's around 30, 40 gallons, so it's a big container. I dropped some seeds in here already. I dropped some of these dazzling blues, which I love them. I love them, y'all. Then on one part, I dropped some beets. Now, this is a beet company that I got these beets from. They sell lots of different beets. But the beets that I have here, and these are the white beets. Yep, I dropped more of those. I dropped about 1 or 2 seeds of collards, nothing huge. And I dropped some sage in the middle. I'm also going to drop some cloves of garlic and onion in this container also. But yeah, that's what I did with this one. And I'm just looking forward to everything growing beautifully. Yeah. But I was just having a great day. I stopped over by GT Jr. He had a live today, and he was saying how he planted his lavender. He was planting lavender butterfly pea. So this is my lavender butterfly pea plant. Now, she don't have a lot of flowers on her, but here we go. Because I've been harvesting them, but I've been leaving a lot on simply because, oh yeah, baby, she's making her seeds. She's making seeds. So I've been leaving a lot on so I can get those seeds. These are the lavender, the queen lavender, my little brother. Yeah. Yeah. This is the blue butterfly peas. Now, on all of them, and I have some more butterfly peas in Jada's bed, but they're all making seeds. So let me share. There's a lot of seeds in here, and she's making seeds all over. So what I've done is I've harvested a lot of my butterfly peas. I'll share it with you in a minute. But I stopped picking a lot of the flowers and just go on and allow her to make the seeds for me. Yeah, there's a lot of them. There's a lot of seeds in here, so that's what I'm doing, just allowing them to make their seeds. But we still have lots and lots of beautiful flowers. Yeah. So these are Jada's butterfly peas. She have the blues, and as you can see, it's just making lots and lots of pods. So she's gonna get a lot of seeds from these also. She says she wanted to share them with many of her friends at school. So I thought that was really cool. Really cool. Yeah, lots of pods. So now we're just letting them make their pods. And I'm gonna share with you now the flowers that I have dried in the house. All right, y'all, my screen is a little cloudy because it's steamy and because I'm cooking. But anyway, here's my jars of my butterfly peas. These are the ones that I harvest this season, and I just let dry on my table in a styrofoam plate, and that's them. And that is going to last me a good while. Yeah, but anyway, there they are, GT. I just wanted to share it with you, man. Yeah, and there's some lavender in here also. I just mixed them. Yeah, yeah. So this is just soil. I had the soil on the other side of the garden for my other little seedlings I have. So I'm just going to sprinkle this over these seeds I just dropped. And then I'm going to water everybody in. I'm going to give them a good water. A good water. Yeah. But I hope you all having a good day. And it's a beautiful day. It's been amazing. We're supposed to get a lot of rain on Wednesday. And I ain't mad at it, y'all. I ain't mad. I'm just giving everybody some water. Activate these seeds. Seed activate, right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. So give them a good water. All right. Good. So in this little container, I dropped some broccoli. Now, the broccoli will not live here, family. No, I'm just going to get them started here, and then I'm going to move them to another part of the garden. But this is, just to get them started. Because, I'm a little behind. That's okay. We're going to get them. It's broccoli. So I'm over here by my black Italian fig, and look at this. They're really getting big. Yeah. She's doing really good. Let's get more on it. Oh, there they are. Yeah, there they are. She's doing good. I don't know how they're going to taste for the second crop, but I'm going to find out. Yeah. So here is my greens over here. And listen, I'm going to be harvesting some of these greens, clean them up really good, and I'm going to put them in freezer bags and put them in my freezer because, yeah, I'm going to have some greens for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. If God say yes to life, I will be eating them. Yeah. But this is broccoli rabe here. I have about 5 or 6 plants of broccoli rabe. And there's a lot of Romanesco in here and kohlrabi. Y'all know I gotta have kohlrabi in there, Yeah. So, yeah, these are the red mustards and the green mustards, and I'm going to harvest some. They're nice and healthy and beautiful, and yep, I will be eating them. They're really big and healthy. And here's some of the southern curly mustards. That's what this is. Yeah. I'm going to the store. Yeah, I'm going over here to the store. You know how you got to eat, but I just don't know what I want to eat. So I'm going over here to this grocery store, and I'm going to pick up some food. All right, guys. So today is Tuesday, and I'm just getting home. I had a doctor's appointment this morning, and yeah, he's been poking and prying and. But it's all good. It's all good. And I'm just trying to get some of these weeds out of here. But I hope you are having a real awesome morning. We're about to get a lot of rain from what I understand. Tomorrow, it's going to start tonight, and we're going to have lots of rain. So, I ain't mad. I ain't mad. Matter of fact, I'm happy about it. This is a basil in there with crabgrass all over the place, but that's okay. I know what to do. I know what to do. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope to see you all tonight in the live. It starts at 7 Central Time. Yes. We will be talking about gardening. So one part of this gardening conversation we're going to be talking about is onions. Onions, baby. We're going to be talking about onions. So if you have any questions or any problems, or just if you want to know how to grow onions, come and sit in with us tonight. We're going to be talking about onions at one part of my live, okay? All right, guys. And much more, and much more. But I hope you all have a great day. I'm going in and get something to eat after I get the rest of these weeds out of here, so these babies could grow up just so cool. I wanted to give them some 511 today, but we're going to have some rain, so no, I'm not going to do that. I am going to put this in the ground. This is some onions. I'm going to just put them in rows in between these plants. Yeah. But anyway, I will see you all tonight. Later, y'all.